Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the write and read binary file in C language. So first, share my laptop screen and fix the position to here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now, just is open Alt F file menu and taking file and write a program to write and read uh, one string in binary file. Yes, so there are two types of file in C language, text file and binary file. So till to now we can 6 video lecture I can provide the text file. Now I can take as a binary file. So yes, there are two pair of function and that name is a fwrite and fread. So that return data type is size underscore t, and that name is a write. So yes, write, and that we can first pass constant uh, character and pointer ptr. Yes, that name and size underscore t, and that is a size. We can use size of operator, and then again size underscore t and n total number of size. Yes, and then last our file uh, string. So file pointer string means collection of bytes. So yes, that is same syntax for fread function. So here we can just change the write to read. There is no any other change. Yes, both are that is a write and that is a read. So that is the syntax, and we can also check in help library alter h, and that fwrite I first you can see. So write to a string, and that no any extra other header file is required, stdio.h, and then 4 argument here that syntax is provide size underscore t, fwrite constant. Yes, that same syntax. So ptr is pointer to any object that data return beginning at ptr, and length of each item of the data size, and n number of data item to be append means write, and fstream specify output uh, file. So that is a write, and I alter f1. So we can also see the fread function. So read data from a string, the same header file, standard input output.h, and same 4 argument, and same that explanation is provided to here. So I accept keep, and here we can return back. And you have to know very well there are 6 file mode in text file, and here also there are 6 mode in the binary file. So that r a and that is b. So means that is a append mode for a, w for write, and r for read, and then rw, aw, and wb. So wb here that is a binary, so b we have to use. So there are 6 mode, um, w plus, so write and read, and here wb plus, so that is a write and read. So wb, rb, and ab, and then plus sign, that are 6 mode as a binary mode. So here I can use, so here WB for write, then RB for read, and AB for append, and then same RB plus, so reading, writing both, and uh, WB and RB now plus, and then AB. So that is also append plus reading. So both operation. So there are 6 mode as a binary and 6 mode as a text file. So yes, I think I just reference for you. I give the here. So there are 6 mode. So here we can say that file mode. Yes, and there are 6 mode. So we can use in the here 2 mode, write and read. So and now 6 is complete. So that is I just reference. I give multi-comment line for your reference. So there are 6 mode is text file and 6 mode is a binary file. And now we can start to our link section and header file stdio.h and conio console input output dot h and void main. Just void main. and then first we can take as a character asterisk pointer, and then file string. So that is also fp pointer, and then clear the screen. And then we can open fopen function is there, you know very well. And here we can provide the C drive. So yes, C colon double slash, yes, and uh, C3 turbo C3, and then bin and double slash and str.txt, and then double first mode wb write mode. So yes, we can check first that path perfectly. So in this editor, there are not possibility we can select to override. That is a default. So turbo, turboc3 and bin, that is default. But one advantage here, full screen. So I can use this editor. In my laptop, there are two editors in turbo C++. And second one is we can also full screen, and we can save our file to particular folder. So first program in C, I can demo how to save to your particular folder to your file that you can watch. Very important for that. I can provide four that executable file, object file, source file, all are I can cover in my first video lecture. So you can search in YouTube or Google Thala Ashok's Academy, then that appear all the channel and list out all the video. So yes, here we can write and that our path is yes correct. So C drive turbo, and there every you can apply the two slash, that is part of the syntax. And here one if condition, if fp assigned to null capital. So that is a if any mistake, so assigned to null, and we can say that one message, and that is a file can't or cannot be open, can't be open. And then here there are two possibilities. You can return keyword or exit function. So here we can use exit. In my previous video lecture, I also used the return keyword. So here I use the exit, and that one header file process.h. And we can also use the character string handling one function, string str length. So we can also include that file, header file. And now we can take one string from user. So here we can say that enter one string, just that type of message, and we can get as function. So get as we can str string pass and fwrite. So that now we can start. So first our string and size of that string. So str again, and then str len, that also str pass string length, and then our fp file pointer. So there are four arguments. So now you can clear the syntax. Yes, first our that is pointer, yes, character constant pointer. Here first our syntax part, then size t, and that is we can size, and that we can size of operator use, and then total n. So how many write to character? So here character integer, float, double. So there are integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, double is 4, long is the 8, and long double long double that 10 bytes. So now we can close, f close function is there, and here we can pass that file pointer. So first, yes, we can look how to write or not, and then we can read all our operations. So here I can save file, and name is write read and uh, binary file. So bstr.c, and then compile. Okay, so then run. So we can say that this is a binary file. Yes, so that close, and we can check that file is created or not. So here in our C drive, at PC, so C drive, then turbo C++, and then disk folder is there, and then turbo C, and then bin folder. So here we can str, yes, that created, yes, here that notepad file, and this is a binary file, yes, that already created perfectly. So that our string is right. This is a binary file. Now we can read that file. So I can show you. that already created in our default, right? So now I copy the all content and paste and then get ch. So here we can now read. So here first we can change the mode as there RB. Yes, and then here not enter but string R. Yes, and then remove the gets ch and here fread. So fread function, and then we can use test. So that is a test and pass str string. So I compile just here our message the string R, and then yes, so here I provide the /n and then compile. Yes, there is no any error, and a this is a testing of binary file. Yes, perfectly reading. So this is a testing of binary file. Yes, so that complete write and read. So yes, that is file management, and we can write and read one string in binary file. So there are 6 mode, and here we can use the first uh, two is that WB and RB. So 1 and 3rd. So here read and same process fread function, and putS we can use here, we can use as a getS. So yes, write this program to your C notebook. Very simple and interesting. You can write and read one text string to our file. So yes, write this program to your C notebooks. If you prepare very simple and very easy way, we can write and read one string in binary file. So fwrite and fread, two pair of function we can use in this session, and there are 4 argument and same signature both write and read fwrite and fread function. So now I close this file. So alter F3 function and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Language. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.